We are the Embedded Department.
In this department, we connect and implement intelligence into our racing car. Our embedded system functions as the brain and the nervous system of the car. It ensures connection amongst its various components, forming a precise network that synchronizes every piece of data. Because of this, we have intensive contact with other tech departments to make sure the hardware and software is tuned to the team's needs. This collaboration guarantees that every element harmonizes, ultimately optimizing the overall performance of the car on track.
We establish vital connections that enable efficient interaction between various subsystems of the car. This involves designing a complicated network of wiring and developing intelligent connections, allowing different components to communicate. Additionally, we implement intelligence through coding and writing algorithms that collectively shape the behavior of our race car. As a team, we fuse speed and intelligence with precision and skill to write history on the racetrack.